Hello, boys and girls. This is Animator here with Raigeki, Church, and Zero. We're playing a game like Airsoft and a little bit of paintball. Explain the rules. Rule number 1. When you get hit, you have to put your hand out, up in the air, like normal Airsoft and paintball, and walk back to your base. And one of the bases are right here. I will show that a little bit soon. And the other base is that train back all the way back there. And the only goal is to get to the base. You don't need to, not the whole team need to be at the base. You just need to have someone get to the base and win. We're gonna play 3 rounds of this game, and that was perfect. That was perfect. I'm sorry. That was. And yes, the avatar we're in, it's interactable. And oh my god, this is gonna make me laugh so much. And yeah, let's. Okay.
No.
I hope you guys like this video, and yeah.
No. Okay, I swear, I thought that shocked me out of fucking nowhere.
Okay, let's start this video.
Okay, so...
And just letting on, I'm recording this part. And the avatar.
Okay.
And we're gonna play still 3 rounds.
I'm not shooting at anybody right now. Oh, okay, hold on.
Okay,
Oh god, I died anyways.
Okay, everybody stop shooting! Put your guns!
I stopped shooting. Nobody's shooting. Just explain.
Ryan, put your gun away!
We're close to each other like this.
Screw it!
The gun down!
I shot earlier.
I did nothing, I swear.
Wait, what?
Alright, so... where am I starting, and...
We're gonna play 2 teams.
What do I do?
Ah!
2 teams to death, okay. Got it.
Okay, everybody put your...
you.
Okay, who wants to be on my team? Okay,
Zero's on your team.
0 is on my team then. And you... And Ryan on our team. What one you want to have for your base?
We were saying we do laser tag.
Hey, well, it makes sense
damn
if
it.
the hobby was here.
I did not shoot you.
Man.
Okay.
I don't know.
I also-
A person who has a high addiction towards shame.
Please, I'm actually
Oh, wait.
recording this. Please don't ever say that ever again on my
That's
on my
weird.
video.
Hobby loves it. Alright.
Shit!
What do you mean that's woo?
No, John, who has a...
Okay.
Okay,
Are we just going out to kill each? Are we just going out to kill each other? Because let me get to.
Church, put your hands out. I think that's the problem. Put your hands out.
My hands
Put your...
is not the problem.
Yes, it is.
My
The gun
hands
goes
have
connected.
been out. Okay, I'm just gonna get away from you guys. I'm gonna get away from you guys because I feel like this is a problem.
Okay, you and Rye's base is over there, and me and after you get to your base, we'll start the game. Oh my god!
Hey, how far can I shoot?
The distance. This is how far the distance is. Stay still. Stay still.
Got him. I did not shoot you.
You have to let it load. This. What? Okay, we need to stop.
What the hell?
That time I actually did shoot you on accident. Okay.
Oh, I thought it was suicide. Ooh, great for me to destroy.
Okay, we're going to start the game in 3. Never mind. I hope this video is going to be funny because this is chaos. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. If they see us go, I think they will go. Okay.
Spawn rush him! Spawn rush him!
Spawn rush them! Spawn rush them! I'm going over here. Woo! Ah! Oh, I died. I died. I need to go back. 3, 2, 1, 5. Okay. I'm coming. Oh shit, he's actually going into my bay. Shit! Okay, I'm out. Sorry, Zero. I'm... Damn it, I'm not very good at my own game. Okay. No!
I died for no reason.
Guess what? I'm gonna get to your base! I'm gonna win! Never mind, I died anyway.
Hey, Shane.
What?
Hey, time out.
I hate to say this, but you know there's an actual PvP world for like Halo in here, right?
Nah, I know, I don't. That's not my game. And you guys go back. You had to go back to your base. Shit!
Alright, let's go back to our start position.
My own team member shot me! My own team member shot me! Thank you! Thank you! Damn it! Yeah, I'm gonna do the same thing and go back to my base because I actually died. Okay, go time. Go. Oh no. I'm going to make it. I'm going to make it. I'm going to fucking make it. I'm going to fucking win. Never mind. I didn't make it. Shit. I'm already dead. You can't shoot me. I'm already dead. Go. Go, Zero. Go, Zero. Go.
I'm gonna shoot you. Look, Shane, look. There's nothing coming out.
Go back to your base now.
Look. No, Shane, look. I can't pull the trigger. I don't know why.
But still go back.
Nothing's coming. Look.
Oh, it's working. See, it's working. I see your finger moving. You just shot me. Thank you. You shot me out.
Well, how did it? No, I didn't even shot you.
Yes, you did. Go back to your base. You're already dead. You're dead. You're already dead. Go back to your base. I think I have a chance. Oh!
Yeah, so. I don't even know anymore.
Go back to your base, boy. You're out. And I just have a chance to win. Go, Zero. Go, Zero. Get on the train. Get on the train. You get on the train, you win. You get on the train, you win. Screw it. I'll go. I'll do it. Yes. We won. We won. We won.
The objective was to get on the train.
Yeah.
Hell, you are.
He's already on the train. No, he actually did win.
Here.
We actually did win.
I'm still gonna shoot the ball. I'm gonna still shoot both of you.
You guys suck.
Out of my own
Shane,
anger.
how can you tell who won when we
I'm gonna shoot you out of my
die
own
like
anger,
this?
man.
We just randomly die all over the place. Who's to say who won? Whatever. At least it was a fun looking video.
Guess
That was
what?
a good video.
Hey, guess what?
What?
Your base is now over there now.
Wait,
Stop.
wait, we're still going?
Yeah, no, this is the second round. I'm just gonna stick at this as 2 rounds for this torture. And telling the truth, I do have. I have a good amount.
I didn't even shoot you.
Did you?
No, I didn't even hold the trigger.
Okay, I still think it's maybe the. What? Oh, there's a. Okay, there actually is a switch in here. Okay, I'm just going to keep my hand forward for this. I didn't click on that. I did not fucking click that. We need to rush their base. Are you ready?
Oh, no, got it.
And they're aim. I don't think they can't. Right, church. The game is going. Okay, they did not kill me. I did not. They did not kill me. Just let you know.
Son of a bitch.
Technical issues. Technical issues.
We're having technical issues because fucking these avatars suck.
Shane, I thought. Angel, I thought I just said technical issues.
I know he came in here to start shooting.
Angel.
Hey, I've been.
I don't anyway.
Okay, Ricky, go take the train. Go take the train, Ricky. Go take the train. Go take the train.
I'm out. What the hell are you doing? I'm out. Oh my god. What the hell? No.
I can't draw the gun now.
Too late. I won.
I know. Oh yeah, by the way, Angel, since you didn't want to fucking...
I did not shoot you. Oh my god. Okay, whoa, shit. I'm already dead.
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh, uh-oh.
I added some things in there for your fun, but I think this video is, for the most part, I think it's kind of like
Done.
Yeah, this video's done. These avatars are so broken.
Okay,
But don't get me wrong. I added some funny content. For you. Reggie Keith.
Aha!
Attest to
Suck on that, boys! You can't shoot me now.
Ah, well.
Okay, I'm changing my avatar.
Problem. All right.
Okay, you and Rice bases over there. Me and
I don't know anything about this. Okay, whatever. Oh. Keep your distance, please. I think distances have to problem. Shit. I didn't even. What the fuck? Okay, all right.
This is getting better.
All right. Well, anyways, the way we're gonna run this, we're not gonna count ourselves as out unless unless they actually shoot us. So. Come on, give me my
You
gun.
don't need anybody to shoot you.
I know, right? Alright, here we go. I got my gun. Alright, I might... If this go... Let's hold for a second. If this happens again in the next 2 seconds, I'm gonna reset my avatar. Alright, so... I don't know. When are we starting and whatnot?
2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, man, I didn't grab
Wow, you
myself...
lasted 5 seconds.
Yep, I think we're doing good now. Oh, I think they're coming to kill us. Alright, let's go to kill them.
Oh, thank
Oh, no, wait, you stay back here. You take out the ones I missed. Oh, never mind. I take it back.
not shooting?
I don't know, cause you are shot. I don't even know if you got me or if I got myself.
I have no trigger.
That's the problem. That's the problem,
Zero,
no.
zero, zero, zero. Look.
Alright, fine, whatever.
Zero, zero. Look.
I'm coming. I'm.
I'd be out then, because since I attacked them.
Oh, hey, wait, did
There
you
you
get him or did he die on his own?
I got Rye before. Well, you got me again.
It's hard to tell. I mean, honestly,
It's hard to tell, dude.
that's the one problem I have with this whole thing. It's really hard to fucking tell. All right, let's go back to the beginning, everyone. Come on, come on. Oh God, I died for no reason.
Guess what? I'm gonna get you, man. I'm gonna win. Come on, I died anyway.
Hey Shane. I hate to say this, but you know there's an actual PvP world for like Halo in here, right?
Nah, I know. I don't. That's not my game.
Ah,
You
I
gotta
got it.
go back. You gotta go back.
All right, let's go back to our start position,
You gotta go back
Let-
to your base.
and let me go ahead and reset my avatar.
Even last 5 seconds, Shane.
There you go. I'm go. All right, you guys go back to your thing.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Where'd you guys? Oh, wait, did we switch teams or what? And why did I just die randomly? Okay,
You know
well,
what? The dying randomly is more funnier than I.
I know, right? It's like we're trying to play. All right. We tried. That's okay. We're invincible for a couple. Oh, you just fucking died while he was chasing us. All right. Oh God. Oh. All right. Who? Okay. Who's to say who hit who? Okay. All right. Dun 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 dun. It's you and me this time.
CSGO movement shooter is this?
I don't even know. I wasn't even shooting. Okay. Oh, okay. Well, you know what? We'll just count this as your win. I don't even know at this point. Oh. All right. All right. Hands up. Because. To be honest, though. I don't even know anymore. Oh, well.
Go back to your base, boy. You're out.
Well, I was already...
Go, get on the train. Get on the train. You get on the train, you win. You get on the train, you win. We won.
Hey, dude,
We
Justin wants to
won!
get
Win
on the
this!
train. Cal, you are.
He's already on the train.
Nope.
No, he actually did win. We actually did win.
Shoot the ball. There's still people.
To tell you the truth, Shane, how can you tell who won when we just randomly die like this?
My own anger, man.
We just randomly die all over the place. Who's to say who won? Whatever. At least it was a fun looking
know.
video.
This was a good video.
Guess what?
Well,
Guess what? Your base is now over there now.
wait, we're still going?
Yeah.
around.
Dude, this is so glitched. All right, fine. Come with me, Reggie. Dude, this thing is so broken. Trigger discipline. Alright. Wait a second. Alright. Alright. Alright, Reggie Key. First of all, I need you to stop killing yourself. Second of all, this is a mission objective at this point in the sphere. Oh god. Well, apparently, oh god, don't mind me. It's just my usual seizures I have. Don't mind me. It's just the usual seizures that come from time to time. Nothing to worry about. And I'm having one again. All right. Okay. Well, I'm trying to plan out a mission here, but apparently I can't help but keep having seizures. All right, hold on a second. Let me go ahead and back up here real quick. Okay. Hold up. Okay. Oh God. Okay. This is okay. Come on. All right. Let me try one more thing. Hey, go back. We're having technical issues up here. You son of a bitch.
Technical issues.
We're having technical issues because fucking these avatars suck.
Shane, I thought I said technical issues.
I know he came in here to start shooting.
Hey,
Angel.
I've been. Fuck it, Reggie, go take the train. Go take the train, Reggie. Go take the train.
What the hell? No!
I can't even draw the gun now. Ugh.
I know. Yeah, by the way, Angel, since you didn't want to fucking...
Alright.
I did not shoot you.
I swear.
Oh my god, Jesus. Okay, whoa, get it.
Yeah,
You're dead.
Alright. Okay. Well, Reggie Key, I added some things in there for your fun, but I think this video is, for the most part, I think it's kind of like on the...
Done.
Yeah, this video's done. These avatars are so broken. But don't get me wrong, I added some funny content. I added some funny content for you. Reggie Key can attest to that one.
Boys, get you me now.
Oh well.
Okay, I'm changing my avatars.
You want me to shoot you, huh? You want me to shoot you, boy? I got something that can shoot you. All right.
Oh no, I can set you up to explode.
I'm loaded.
Oh my goodness, my camera's all the way over there. Oh, that actually lagged me.
Yeah, I can set you up to explode if you want to.
All right.
Why is my favorite? Oh, there. Okay. I'm maybe gonna.
Come on.
Wait.
Come on, you stupid gun. Okay. There you go. There you go. Now I can shoot you. Now I can shoot you without dying randomly.
Hey, can I? Can you please stop? I'm trying to.
Well, my magazine's empty. Wait, I got another one around here somewhere. Ah, there we go. It was in my ass.
Hey.
Okay. Alright. So, anyways. That was
Hey,
pretty...
wait! I need to do my I need to do my intro of.
Alright.
Yeah,
let me go ahead and change
Everybody
it
get
to a
behind
more.
me.
Let me change it to an appropriate avatar. Okay. Alright. Alright. Fine.
I know something appropriate.
All right. There we go. Fine. I'm gonna turn off my camera. We're at the end here of my part.
Okay, everybody, this is sadly the end of this crazy.
Don't shoot
No.
unless you can take him out.
No, no, we're not doing this.
Do it. You missed.
Okay, there's gonna be a little bit of the bloopers before we started this recording. Thank you for because of church. And tell us, you
Bloopers in the
guys.
recording too.
What?
And bloopers in the recording.
Bloopers in the recording as well.
Yeah. Yeah, I
We
said
kept
that.
dying even though we weren't anywhere near each other.
I know. That's why this is like. It's a funny video, but at the same time, it's just chaos.
Oh,
But thank you guys
that's
for
okay.
helping
you showed
with
me
my.
where I don't have a heart.
Thank you,
show me what I
Raigeki.
don't
Thank you,
have.
Church.
Oh.
Thank you, Zero.
Well, I did have teeth.
If you want to see Raigeki's channel, it's Anime Freakers. I forgot the rest.
64.
64.
Anime Freakers 64.
And
And don't forget church.
Church.
I believe in mine is still Church 25L, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Church
it's
25L on YouTube.
And I don't know you have a channel.
I stream on Twitch.
Also, I'm the one that came up with
Check
the
out his
seizure
str-
joke.
go
These
on
are now the
his,
seizure
uh,
avatars.
Twitch channel and stuff. Why not?
I'm dead a lot of times. You won't expect
Wait,
me a month later.
Did we have seizures or were we having constant strokes or heart attacks? I'm not sure which one.
Okay.
I
Please
believe
like,
Caesar's
subscribe.
is one.
If you don't subscribe, Bigfoot will kiss your mother.
If you don't subscribe, we'll have another seizure. Please subscribe.
Alright, I'm kidding. No,
Okay.
Alright.
I mean shot at. I hope you guys like this video. Please comment what part you like.
Comment
Technically,
E in the comment section below, and here's the nuclear codes.
oh, I like this.
I'm not
I like
sure,
this.
Shane, but I think I can send you my footage through Discord, can't I?
I'm still recording. We'll talk about after we finish. You'll see more of
Okay,
this
whatever.
video.
Just kind of.
Please put a comment below if you want me to do a Q&A with
Comment
Rye.
E in the description, and I'll give out the nuclear codes.
Oh, Ryan Church. But oh no joke. Before I
Next time we'll make a video of anime angel shoot up to the moon.
I can do
To
that.
the moon. Got it.
Okay, I can do that.
Alright,
Let's do
Send
that.
him to the moon.
But
Got it.
Just so you know, I have
the
people-
perfect copy for that.
the next best place.
we're already in space.
We are?
Yes, we are. You don't see the big giant planet behind you?
Yeah, sure.
Even Zero knows we are in space.
Also, just so
And
you
Paul
know,
was
if this
our
video
visual
exceeds
dad.
1,000 views, Anime Angel has to buy us all beer.
Yeah.
Okay,
What?
okay. I'll buy all you guys beer. Wait, I can't buy him beer. I'll give him root beer.
Oh no.
Fuck you, I'll
We
get
know
beer in the end.
His addiction.
Wait, how old are you? I know you're
18,
not.
but I can still drink. In Texas, all I can drink.
I like how you wink.
This
I
one.
like how you wink right there.
Okay, everybody see
you
you.
don't know
Bye.
Texas is wrong, right?
Keep
Because you
on
live in
flying.
Texas.
See you, everybody.
Whoopsies. I'm gonna record this anyways. Anyways, so go ahead and just
please
explain.
clone this avatar.
What's going on?
You have to clone this avatar.
Okay.
You have to
I'll
clone this
after.
avatar. This is for this.
Okay. Alright. So, I cloned this avatar, and... Oh! I died.
That's the reason why I want to clone that avatar.
Okay, well... Oh, God,
Okay,
that was still
for this-
horrible.
Okay, it's almost gonna be like Airsoft and shit. You have and
Well-
laser tag. For this area up here, this is gonna be a base, including over to the right by the train.
Okay.
That's also going to be a base.
All right.
The rule is one of your team members has to make it over to that base. If you get hit
Oh God, not again.
like that,
Oh.
okay, you can't. Just so you know, you can't move or pull out your gun.
Yeah, I know.
But this is going to be mean. Wait. Whoa. No.
Yeah, I had to go for him. Oh God, not again. Why? Ugh. Oh God. Oh. Can you stop shooting me? I guess not. Okay. Whatever. He just has the advantage here.
Can I explain my?
All right.
Can I explain
Well,
my rules, please?
Well, hold a second. Let me go ahead and anchor this world. All right. Okay. Here we go. Let's just talk like this, right? Oh God, damn it. Okay. Explain your rules while I'm here on the ground. Okay. Now. Okay.
Whoa, right? I did not shoot you.
I don't even know how to use this. How do you pull the trigger?
You actual trigger.
Yeah.
That's what I'm pressing. I'm pressing
Yep,
that.
like that.
Nothing happened.
Oh wait. How did I? Wait.
Wait.
Nobody shot me. How did I just go down? Okay. Well. Okay. Whatever.
Wait,
How do you-
go in the circular menu.
Wait.
Okay,
Did-
he did shoot me. He actually did shoot me.
Okay.
Right, you did shoot. You have to pull the trigger.
Wait,
Okay.
That's all.
Oh,
I am
anyways.
pulling the trigger.
Wait.
Nothing's happening.
Let's.
See?
How did I just?
You shot me.
Oh God.
I
Okay.
didn't, my finger really did. I didn't click my trigger.
Okay. Explain the video before we kill each other, like continuously here, right? Okay, what's going on here?
Okay, everybody let go of your guns. Everybody let go of your guns.
Oh, my gun's already
I did
gone.
not.
Okay,
I think he shot you. I think
maybe. All right. Okay, let's.
Okay.
Oh,
When you get hit, I know you won't you're able to to move when you're dead.
yes,
but-
obviously.
If you're dead all the way, you have to put your.
How did you die?
Did you die?
What do you motherfuckers shot me? I know what you did.
My
I don't have a gun.
my gun is away.
My gun's away.
I wasn't shooting you. God. Ugh.
Yeah. I think the avatar's broken.
Okay, man, I think that is
Okay.
more likely. Well, get over here.
Okay,
I'm recording your intro.
No.
This is like a.
I'm going to do it after everybody gets here. This is everybody when everybody gets here. I'm not actually going to do the intro right here.
I'm sorry, but I'm sending you this part. Just that was just funny. You just collapsed and died for no reason whatsoever.
I'm not. Okay.
All right.
For one, when you get actually hit, you have to go back to your base. You go to tell people.
Okay. Well, Shane.
He just died.
He died again. I didn't have it on footage. All right. I just died. What the hell? Okay, hold a second. I'm gonna stop the video real quick.
Hey,
Wait,
no,
here.
I died.